Okay, we're going to continue with the handout from class. If you're not in my class, it's fine. We have these four functions that are defined, and right now we're going to take the product of the function f and k and then simplify it. So this is simply equal to, I'm going to replace f with what it's defined to be, x plus h, and then multiply that times k of x, which is x cubed minus 2. And then to simplify, all I have to do is what we call FOIL. That's the old-fashioned term. So x times x cubed, basically, it's a distributive property. X times minus 2, h times x cubed, h times minus 2. Pretty much straightforward there. Now this last one down here, it's just kind of combining several functions together in a particular way. We call this actually a quotient. So previously, we actually found g of f of x. And so let me see if I got it here. G of f of x is right there. G of f of x. And we want to take that and add it to, hold on just a second while I remove this one part here. I want to finish this using something we already have. So I found g of f of x already, so I'm just going to put my result right there. Then I'm going to subtract g, and then I'm going to divide the whole thing by h. So here I'm just going to copy, and I'm going to do this in parentheses. So it's kind of like you look at this piece and subtract off this piece, and you put everything in parentheses so that you don't lose the negative sign there in the middle. So this is going to be x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 3x minus 3h plus 2. And then I'm going to subtract g of x, which is defined as right here, x squared minus 3x plus 2. Put it in parentheses. X squared minus 3x plus 2. And I put it in parentheses. Why? Because of that negative sign right there. My pen isn't working very good here. Sorry about that. And then I divide everything by h. Now, when you're dealing with something rational that you have to simplify, what you work on is simplifying the numerator and then seeing what happens after that. So if I simplify the numerator, I get x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 3x minus 3h plus 2. And you're like, you just rewrote that. Yeah, but I'm not going to just rewrite this. I'm going to distribute that negative. And I'm going to keep h down there. Don't ever forget to write him. Every step must be exactly the same as the step before. But now you can see that this positive x squared cancels with this negative x squared. And this negative 3x cancels with this positive 3x. And this positive 2 cancels with the negative 2. So what do I have now? 2xh plus h squared minus 3h. And I think that's it. Yep. All over h. Now, most students, or a lot of students, want to just cancel this h with that h. But the rule is you must factor whatever it is you want to cancel. So I always say factor before canceling. So if I factor, I don't know if canceling spelled right. Don't go crazy on that. I could factor out an h out of every term. That's called taking out the greatest common factor. And now that's your factor of 1 that you can cancel out. So what I'm left with then is 2x plus h minus 3.